Hey, what's going on, everyone? So in this video, just gonna talk about LED light strips. I've done a few videos on these. So take this LED strip from Vidgu that I put in, I think December of 2019. 32 feet, still works great. This light strip from ZHot that goes around the television. This one's about 10 months old. It still works great. But this one in particular, the one behind me in this little closet thing where I have all my action figures, Star Wars action figures. This one I put in only about 11 months ago, and I just want to show you something. So this light strip here is a 16-foot strip from a company called BatheBright. Got this on Amazon. It was 16 feet long, and I just have it going around the perimeter of the closet. Had to drill a hole up in the ceiling to run power, but it's been a pretty good strip. I mean, there's the sensor for the remote, there's the power supply. You know, everything went in very easy, but I've got a couple of LEDs over here that can no longer display blue. So if I go to blue, see, these are, they're practically dead. All the rest of them work fine. All the rest of them are just fine. All around the top. Going around, all those are still illuminated blue, except for these right here. So if I go to white, so evidently in this strip to display white, there's still some blue involved. So you can see there, they're all white, except for these right here that look more yellow. If I go to green, so green is okay, I guess because there's more yellow involved. But if I go to, say, this blue, you can see they're blue, except for these three right here that are still red. Well, they're like a pink almost. All the rest of them are this color, which is like it's supposed to be like a teal. It doesn't show up all that well on camera, but you can see these three can't display that color. If I go to purple, you know, there's blue in purple. So these are purple, except for these three. You got red. So yeah, just after 11 months, I've had 3 go bad. They can no longer display blue. I always thought LEDs were designed to last a long time. I mean, this one from Vidgu, 32 feet long, thick, heavy-duty strip. It works great. I've had no problems with this one at all. This one's done really, really well. And the one that's in this room with the TV, it works great. So this one's from ZHot. It's strictly a USB for, for televisions, but, ZHot, I've had 0 problems with this one. So yeah, kind of disappointed in the BatheBright strip. I was not expecting to have 3 LEDs go bad in less than a year. So just want to throw this out here just in case y'all are in the market for an LED strip. You may want to steer clear of BatheBright, stick with Vidgu or ZHot. They've both been great, but yeah, just want to share this little bit of information. And I think I will put links to all 3 of my light strip install / review videos in the description box below, just in case you want to check them out. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.